Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a Coinbase account. First, navigate to Coinbase. Come on your computer or download their mobile application. Once there, locate and click the Get Started button. You'll then need to input your basic personal information, ensuring all details are accurate. After submitting, check your email for a verification link from Coinbase and click it to confirm your address. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your crypto journey. Next, you'll need to verify your identity, a crucial step for security and regulatory compliance. Coinbase will ask you to upload a clear image of a government-issued identification document, such as your driver's license or passport. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete this process. This verification helps protect your account from unauthorized access and ensures a safe trading environment for everyone. With your identity verified, it's time to link a payment method. Coinbase offers several options, including connecting your bank account or a debit card. Select your preferred method and securely input the necessary details. This step allows you to easily deposit funds to purchase cryptocurrencies or withdraw them later. Remember, you can always add more payment methods to your account for greater flexibility. Finally, let's secure your new Coinbase account. It's highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of protection. Also, make sure to create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. These steps are vital for safeguarding your digital assets. For more financial insights, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Your financial future starts with smart security and informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.